South China Sea. The South China Sea is a crucial waterway for global commerce. Trillions of dollars in goods transit the region annually. This vital artery connects East Asia with Europe, the Middle East and beyond. The sea itself holds vast reserves of oil and natural gas. These resources are a point of contention between neighboring countries. Fishing grounds in the South China Sea are also vital to the livelihoods of millions. The competition for these resources adds another layer of complexity to the dispute. The control of these resources has significant economic implications. Countries vying for dominance seek to secure their energy security and economic future. This competition for resources raises concerns about potential conflict. The South China Sea dispute, therefore, has ramifications far beyond the region itself.